and welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. Now let's take care of the exit. So I'm going to come into the form here. Let's double click on the exit. And right here, you're going to have to call the system. Let's say system column windows, and that is going to be for the form column forms. And what I need in here is the dialog result. There we go. The dialog result, and I will just give the name I quit. That is my variable that I've just declared in there now. Okay, and the next thing you want to do now is I'm going to say I quit or I exit. That is going to be equals message box, and that is going to be column show. And what I want you to show is the following message that I'm going to enter now. So let's open a bracket and I'll just enter confirm if you want to exit. Close that, enter a comma, and I will then enter another speech mark and enter currency converter. So that is going to be for my title. Then enter a comma here, and I'm now going to say message box buttons. That will be column yes or no. There, enter another comma, and the next method I'm going to be using is message box. That should be for icon, and the icon I intend to use is going to be a question mark. There, and end that. There we go. Now let's use an if statement now here to check the user's input. If I exit equals, you have to compare it, equals to dialog result dot yes. So I'm going to copy all of these because you need that. And if the dialog result is column yes, enter statement block, and you can just say application.exits column exit. There we go. So that is officially your exit. So if I run it now, let's try that out. You see that? And that is the title, currency converter. Confirm if you want to exit. If I say no, you're still within the system. However, if you say yes, there we go. The system will exit you out, or you logged out of the system. Alright, let's do the same thing for the reset button. So I'm going to copy these lines of code. I'm just going to use that to reset. Double click on reset and paste that right in there. There. Now, if you want to reset, I want the system to prompt you to confirm. So I'm going to change the name to I reset. And let's just change these variables to I reset. And here as well to I reset. So if the user intend to reset, so we want the system to do as follows. As a txt dot focus there, and I can just copy it. I want this, grab hold of that and paste that in here. I also want you to clear out with what we have in here. That is the tool. Let it be cleared. Okay, clear that, and here that should be cleared as well, and then set focus on it. Okay, so this remains that, and that is it. That's my reset taken care of. So let's run that and see. Select whatever, reset. No, I don't want to reset. Yes, I do want to reset. See that, guys? And the focus, you can see the mouse flashing in there. Okay. All right, let's exit out. Now we need to actually put together a function that we will use to convert the whole currency. Okay. Oh, there's one thing I forgot to reset here. That's going to be the LBL. Yeah, let's get that reset as well. Okay. All right. That is that all done. So now let's take care of my function. So the function should be underneath here. I'm just going to draw a line there so that I know where my function is. Right, that'll do. And closing line. Let's enter another line here. There. And right underneath here, I'm going to start by saying double. And it's going to be known as currency. Let's say convert currency. And it's going to take in the following argument, double. And that's going to be for amount. Then I will also assign another one for string. This string, I'm going to say the variable that will be in there is going to be from currency. Good. So, and another one is going to be another string to currency. So whatever you enter will be in a string format. So this is going to be to currency. There we go. Now, enter statement block. Inside our statement block, I'm going to say the dictionary of string dictionary. Get rid of that. That is going to be for string, and just correct this there. So dictionary string comma, and that is going to be double. Close that off, and the the name for it, I'm just gonna call that conversion rate. And conversion rate is going to be garbage return new, and that's going to be dictionary double. Let's grab all of this, paste it here. There we go. Okay, so don't worry about the error once I started using this. So I'm going to say the currency itself now, or conversion rates. Now let's add, we're going to be converting in there. Conversion rates dot add, and what am I adding? That is going to be for GBP, and the amount this time around is just one. There, that's the very first one. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it because I have 10 in total. Just paste. Okay, Now let's change the rate. This is going to be for Canada, and the rate we can say 1.7. Okay, and base is going to be for Nigeria, and change that to 167.9, whatever, and so on. So I'm going to speed that up, just populate the orders. All right, that is the rate for each country. You can go online to check the valid rate. I just made this up. Now, the next thing is I'm going to use an if statement to check what I am converting from and to. So I will say if not conversion rate, if not conversion rate dot contain key. Okay, and what am I talking about? I'm talking about if it does not contain whatever we have in here from, or copy all of this again. Just come right in here, enter the or, and paste that in here. Okay, all right, change this to 2. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. Enter curly braces here, or statement block. If it does not contain this, I want you to throw in the following. Just throw an error message. Garbage collector, do as follows. So I'm going to say, give me the following argument. Exception. Okay, the argument exception, I have to just enter invalid currency. Yeah, something like that. Invalid currency code. And else, we want the following. We want you to return. Once I return, all these errors should disappear. So let's say return. I want you to return the amount, multiply that by whatever we have inside here. So I think I'm just gonna grab all of these and change it around, paste that here, and that is going to be the rate. Okay, no, that should be in the form of an array. All right, the typing it would have been better. All right, okay, and let's divide that now. Divide by whatever we have in here. Paste that in here and change this to from. Just end it. Okay, we still have an error, so that's no problem. Let's look at our input. Okay, let's go back up here. Right, I meant to, okay, username. Okay, using namespace system, column collections. Grab all of that and just paste it in here. And now I'm just gonna say column generic. So that should get rid of that error for me. There we go. You see the error is gone. Let's scroll right down. So make sure you add this to your library. Okay. So scroll right down and my error should be gone. You see that? That is gone. Now, this function will be useless if I don't put together a line of code on this very button. It's this button that will make use of the function. Let's double click on the button. Double click. First of all, I am going to declare the following variables. So I'm going to say double. Now just call that amount, comma, and the next one is going to be convert amount. There. And two more variables. One is going to be, both are going to be string. So let's just call that from currency and to currency. So grab all of these, paste it there. And to currency, grab all of these as well. Well, paste there. Alright, it's not accepting that. Okay, so I have my variables declared that I intend to use. Now, the next thing is using an if statement. If it's not double, then I want you to, let's use try plus txt convert dot text comma amount. Now, enter statement block. In there, I'm just going to use a message box. Let's copy this message box up here. Let's grab hold of all of this and bring it right down in here. So if it's not that, I want the following message box to display. Let's say please enter whatever. Enter a valid number. There. And this one, we can change this one to okay. Dot okay. And this one, I can just change this to maybe information or an exclamation. Yeah, exclamation will do. Yeah. So why why this is displayed, I don't want the system cleared. It was clear. The text box will be cleared. I also want it to set focus on the text box. Let's say dot focus. There we go. And then ask it to return so that you are given the opportunity to re-enter your data. Alright. However, if everything is fine, or if it goes as planned, I want the following. So let's grab all of these two, paste it right underneath here, and get rid of this, get rid of this. So we say currency that is going to be equals CMB from to text and dot substring, and that is going to be from 0, starting from 0 all the way to 3. There, that's that done. I'm going to repeat the same thing for this next one. Copy and paste. And this is 2. Okay, that's fine. Now I want to use this convert amount. Convert amount, that is going to be equals this. the function, call the function. Okay, remember the function I was created. Now I'm using it. Convert currency is that in here as equals convert currency, and that is going to be amount, comma, from and to currency, from currency to currency, and end that. Now the whole data, the whole calculation is in here. So let's store it inside the LBL amount converted. The text that is going to be equals amount plus, I'm going to enter space in there, and let's enter the plus sign again, from, okay, from whatever country, and I want it to convert it to, let's put an equals there, amount converted, display that as well, and that's going to be for which country, from, to, okay, this will be to currency, and paste that right there. There we go. I think that is it done. Okay, so I'm going to try this out now. Let's run. Okay, I'm going to run that now, save, and run. See, there we go. In first place, I'm going to enter whatever in there, and there. Please enter a valid number there. Okay, and I enter a valid number. Click on convert. Look at that, guys. Let's change it to another currency. See that? And that's how you create your own currency converter using Visual C++. With that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I believe you guys enjoyed, and please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. For those of you guys who are a member, thanks for being a member of the channel. I really appreciate all your support. Thank you guys, and you all have a nice day now, and bye for now.